Hi, my name is Srinivas. I have 20 plus years of experience oral IT, out of which nine years into data science and big data analytics. Okay, so our course title is data science and uh, big data analytics. Okay, so this is the course title. This data science, big data analytics is 90% contributes artificial intelligence. On top of this, so we have artificial intelligence AI. Okay, so data science and big data analytics 90% contributes to AI. Right, what is data science? What is big data analytics? Right. So here we all know the data we have been working. The data is a numerical data and low amount of data and low speed data. So max, we all worked with up to terabytes of data. Now, because of digital world, that is every product, every company, every human being every company is connected to digital world. Because of digital world, there is a huge amount of data and different variety of data. High speed data got generated. That high speed data, variety of data, we call it as a big data. We call it as a big data. So whatever the activities we perform on big data, that is a part of big data analytics. And whatever the insight you derive from big data, that insight derivation we do with the data science activities. Mainly, data science consists of data engineering, data engineering plus machine learning. So 80% of activities we do data engineering, 20% we do machine learning. Here in data engineering, what exactly we do? We transform data from one format to other format, which is required for machine learning algorithms. So after transformation of data, that data will be entered as input to machine learning algorithms. All machine learning algorithms can be used for predictions or recommendations, okay, predictions, recommendations, estimations, okay, sentiment analysis. So there are many examples like this. Okay, so all these are part of data science. Transformation is nothing but we do data mining activities, data wrangling activities, then data normalization. So finally, we convert unstructured data to structured format and understandable format, prepare the data for machine learning algorithms. And those machine learning algorithms are there for different types of activities like predictions, recommendations, sentiment analysis, estimations, okay, classifications, that means categorization of data, these kind of activities. All right, so but to do this data science and big data analytics, you have to learn or you have to be comfortable with the technologies like Hadoop is one of the framework, then Spark is another framework. But to for with Spark we require to learn Scala or Python. We teach both here, Scala as well as Python. So to be able to work with Spark framework, we require Scala as well as Python. Then we require to learn statistics. We require to learn all machine learning algorithms. All machine learning algorithms. So, but what is the use of Hadoop? Hadoop is mainly used to build a data lake. Okay, so where we have HDFS, then Hive, then HBase, then Cassandra. These are the different databases, file systems, structured databases, NoSQL databases. So on top of it, we will configure Spark framework to extract data, to pre-process data, and to store data in data lake. Store data in data lake, right? So to become master in data science and big data analytics, you have to learn Hadoop, Spark with Scala, or Spark with Python, PySpark. So we do implement a data engineering Spark with Scala, Spark with Python, as well as a machine learning Spark with Python, Spark with Scala. So once you comfortably learn this Hadoop, Spark, Scala with hands-on, as I told you, all our classes are real-time hands-on sessions. There is 100% guaranteed transformation from non-technical background to technical background. Doesn't matter which background you are coming from, anybody can learn this one, right? So coming to the opportunities, there are plenty of opportunities across the globe in data science and big data analytics. Go through any job portal and search for a keyword called big data, or keyword called analytics, or keyword called data science. You see this skill set. Without this skill set, there is no job opportunities. 95% of the job opportunities are with these skill sets. So once you have these skill sets, your resume will be shortlisted. You will be getting many interview calls. You can easily crack interview calls after going through all my sessions. All my sessions are project oriented sessions and interview oriented sessions. Okay. Still, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us. Thank you very much.